Hi there and welcome to this Squarespace video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Squarespace. And then after that, I'm going to do a Squarespace dashboard overview. So basically, you're going to see how to access the Squarespace admin area and how to find your way around the Squarespace admin area. So you're going to see how you can log in to Squarespace, how you can log out, how to create a new site, how to delete a site, and just anything else that I will deem important for you as a new Squarespace user. I'm going to cover it in this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the section below and I will find the time to answer your question. So let's get started by signing up and just go to squarespace.com, and on squarespace.com you can get started by clicking on the get started button. But first of all, if you want to see the pricing of Squarespace, you can just scroll all the way down, and on the footer here under products, you're going to find pricing, and you can check the current pricing for Squarespace. So you can get started on the homepage, or you can get started anywhere, and I'll just click here on get started so that you can set up our first account. So here you can try and figure out which category best matches your website, and this is something you can choose to enable you find the correct theme for your website. But for me, I'm just going to skip this step. And this also will just enable you to drill down on the themes that best serve what you need. If you know the website that you want to build, you can also just skip this. And then for this one as well, you can skip what stage are you in. This is really not important. You can just skip that as well. Now, this is the next part, which is important. And here you can choose a theme for the website that you want to build. So on this side, you can see that you can browse your themes based on categories. So maybe you want to sell stuff online. You can just click their online store and you can look at the themes which are available here, and you can preview any theme that is of interest to you. And if you like the theme, you can start with it. Okay. And the next step is going to be you creating an account. So let's say maybe this is a theme that you want to preview. You can just click there, preview. You can also view demo site for this just to see so much more about the theme. But if you like the theme, you can just click start with this theme. And then of course, the next step is for you to create an account. So you want to create your account using an email address, give in all the details for your account, and then click continue. And then now you can give your Squarespace a title. So what's the name of your shop or your website? What's the name of your website? For me, I can say the name of my website is Ricky Online Store. And then I will just click continue. And you can do an overview just to see what Squarespace is all about. These are just introductions that you can look at. And you can start by customizing the font and all, but let's just forget about this. I'm going to click on skip. And there you go. That's your first site. So that's your first Squarespace website. If you want to edit pages, you'll just come here under pages and you can delete all the pages. Delete the page. You can just hover over page, delete it, and then create new ones. If you want to create a page, you can create the different types of pages that you want to create here. You can create all these collections and you can create these pages as well. Let's just do a dashboard overview. So the first thing that maybe you want to change is the link here. So the link for your default Squarespace URL. So you can go back under home, and then if you come here under settings, and then you click on domains, you can change the default built-in domain on Squarespace, and you can just click there and you can give it a new name. And if no one else has this, you can just click there to rename and you can confirm. And now you can see that the new link for our site has been set up there. Let's see about going to our account. If you want to go to your account, you'll always just come here under home here, and you can click there. You can also click there, and that will bring you to your Squarespace account. So you can access the account directly by going to account.squarespace.com. That's going to bring you here. And every time you log into Squarespace, it will just bring you into your account. And if you want to go and edit any site, you can just come and click and edit the site that you want to edit. You'll be able to edit your site So let's just click to go back. This is a trial website. You can try Squarespace for 14 days, see the features, build your website, and once you're done, you can upgrade. So if you want to create another site, up here you can just click create another site, and you're going to get the options to choose the theme that you want. Maybe you want to create a portfolio website and you want to work with that. Just start with that. Give the site a title, My Portfolio. Continue, and I will skip the rest. And you can go back to your account. Just click there or click here. It will take you back to your account. And here you can now see you have 2 websites under trial. So you can delete this. Just click there. If you want to delete this website, just click there and you can remove the website. Confirm that you want to remove it. And now it's gone. If you want to create another one, you just click there and you'll create another website. So let's go back into our account. And if I come here, I can just click to go into my account dashboard. Okay, so we're back on the account dashboard. If you want to log out, come here under your name, then click on logout, and that will enable you to log out of your Squarespace account. And if you want to enable 2-factor authentication, come here under account and security, and here you'll be able to enable 2-factor authentication. You can change your password and you can change your email address, and I can see the email address needs to be verified. So go into your email account right now and verify your email address before you continue any further. You can also view your login activity, and you can change your profile settings. You can change your details right here. So I will close this, and every website you create will get a 14-day free trial. So if you create another site, it's going to get a 14-day free trial. And you can also add domain. So you can buy a domain or you can transfer a domain to Squarespace. So if you just click there, you'll be able to buy a new domain from Squarespace, or you can transfer a domain. If you already have a domain from GoDaddy or you have one in Namecheap, you can transfer the domain. Just type the name of the domain there and start transferring. Maybe your domain is you can see the price of the domain name that you want. You can choose the domain name that you want to use and then continue from there. So let's go back into our account dashboard, and you can just come there under your name and go into account dashboard. That's pretty much an introduction to Squarespace. You can just log in and create as many websites as you want, build them, and then you can upgrade them after that. So if you want to edit the site, just go and edit it, and you can create pages and do everything else that you want to do with your new website. And if you see this and you don't want to see it again, just click there and click on don't show again, and that will not be shown again. And once you're done building your site, you can upgrade your account right here. You can just click here, subscribe. And this will allow you to choose a plan for your Squarespace website. I will close. And if you want to see the version of Squarespace that you're using, just come here under help, and you can see that for us, we're using version 7.1. And if you want to show the assistant once again that I closed, you can just select that and it will be shown, or you can uncheck that and it will be hidden. So if you have any questions, feel very free to let me know. I will see you next time.